Welcome to our video on the top 10 places to visit in the Philippines. This beautiful country is home to over 7,000 islands, and it's known for its stunning beaches, crystal clear waters, and rich culture. Join us as we explore some of the most breathtaking destinations this country has to offer. First up, we have the Chocolate Hills in Bohol. These unique geological formations consist of over 1,200 hills that turn brown during the dry season, resembling chocolate mounds. It's a must-visit destination for nature lovers. Next, we have the Mayon volcano in Albay. This active volcano is known for its perfectly symmetrical cone shape and is considered one of the world's most active volcanoes. It's a great place for hiking and offers stunning views. Moving on, we have the Tubataha Reef in Palawan. This protected marine sanctuary is home to a diverse range of marine life, including colorful coral reefs, sea turtles, and hundreds of species of fish. It's a great place for diving and snorkeling. Next up, we have the Banawe Rice Terraces in Ifugao. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is over 2,000 years old and is known for its stunning rice terraces carved into the mountainside. It's a great place to learn about traditional Filipino culture. Moving on, we have Calle Crisologo in Vigan. This historic street is lined with beautiful Spanish colonial architecture, including ancestral homes, churches, and museums. It's a must-visit destination for history and architecture enthusiasts. Next, we have Coron Island in Palawan. This beautiful island is known for its crystal-clear waters, hidden lagoons, and stunning coral reefs. It's a great place for island hopping and diving. Moving on, we have White Beach in Boracay. This beautiful beach is known for its white sand and crystal-clear waters, and it's a great place to relax and soak up the sun. It's also a great place for water sports like parasailing and paddleboarding. Next up, we have Intramuros in Manila. This historic walled city is known for its Spanish colonial architecture, including the iconic Fort Santiago and Manila Cathedral. It's a great place to learn about the country's colonial past. Moving on, we have the Kawasan Falls in Cebu. This stunning waterfall is known for its crystal clear waters and stunning natural beauty. It's a great place to cool off and enjoy the great outdoors. Last but not least, we have Apo Island in Negros Oriental. This beautiful island is known for its pristine beaches, crystal clear waters, and diverse marine life. It's a great place for snorkeling and diving, and you might even spot some sea turtles. And that concludes our list of the top 10 places to visit in the Philippines. With its stunning natural beauty, rich culture, and warm hospitality, the Philippines is truly a must-visit destination. We hope this video has inspired you to plan your own adventure in this beautiful country. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration. Thank you for watching.